Hi, traders. Wyckoff, AMTrader here, editor of the Emini market timing newsletter, the AM Turn, in your email inbox before the opening bell. Imagine how your life could change if you knew whether the high or the low of the day could be in the beginning or the end of the trading day. Here's how my subscribers to the AM Turn's trading changed. Before we get to that, here's a disclaimer. Yes, I have skin in the game. I trade my own personal account, sardine, tuna, billfish trades, or for educational purposes only. I am not a futures broker and do not manage any accounts. It is my intent to show where trades may occur. What you do is up to you. You can follow my levels ideas to profit or loss. You determine trade size, when, where, how you trade. CFD futures is not for everyone. It's a volatile, complex, and risky business. Before you invest, know how much you can afford to lose. Hi, good morning and welcome to the Wyckoff Traders Early Read. Right now, as you can see, the time is 6:50 here in the Denver, Colorado area. New York time, which is the most important, 8:50. And I don't need any tires. I don't know what they're thinking. Anyway, 8:50. We just released the jobs numbers, the weekly unemployment numbers. It used to be jobs number Friday. Now it's unemployment numbers Thursday. I think we're topping 25 million now unemployed in the country. 4 million or so are unemployed as of this week. And we really thought that the price would just rip right out of the gate. And it actually kind of stalled for 5 minutes. And it finally took out the 27.98. And we're dancing around the 28.82 on a little bit of increased volume. Nothing really major to brag about, but it definitely is a little bit of more of an increased volume. Bid kind of got on since about 8:10, and now we're looking to take out that 28.80, 28.08 level. As I said, the previous day, at least to my eye, it looked like they were possibly selling on the Wyckoff wave. We'll go ahead and we'll take a look, and this may take a while. We may even flicker. We'll just have to find out. From the bull's perspective, or from old Daddy Bull, he's always going to sell on those rallies to the high to unload a little bit. It's just proper risk management. On the levels we've looked at today, and maybe this will help break it down a little bit, 28.08, and actually what I designed this chart to use was for myself, but 28.08, that had been the first level. That's pretty much a major demarcation line where price kind of capitulated, and we didn't really throw mama from the train as bad as you would have thought the previous day, which would have been Wednesday. A lot of volume came out, so they definitely want to reclaim that if at all possible. Not to saying that they can or they won't. If we're going to climb that wall of worry, that would definitely be the first level that the bulls would need to overcome as a hurdle. And then, of course, we got a little bit more range going on here, 28.23, and then 28.32 was the smart money, most likely leaning on the 28.32, and the 28.60 might be a bit of a reach. Coming back on the downside, obviously you'd want to go short on the red side, on the green side, looking at 27.72. And for the most part, as I said in the opening print, we've been trading about a 33 handle range. So that would have been pretty much the, well, it's right here. The glowback's low, 27.72. The next level down, 27.55. That's just where you anticipate a little bit of an inflection point. Then, of course, 27.28, and then 28 being the smart money, most likely 27.28. If not, the worst case scenario, 27.17. And you really wouldn't want to drop that far in, but that would be pretty much the bottom of that long-term either resting area, resting spell, either reaccumulation or we'll see what happens after that. Let's go ahead and we'll show you a couple of things here. 854 right now. And on the, of course, that's the same chart you see there. Like I said, oil is starting to behave now. Pricing term decline was a wall of worry. And like I said, I did feel that the oversupply was entering to the market. That bragging rights is 28.08 and of course 28.32. Little concerned about these unemployment numbers. We may have a slow drip up. It's been a bullish past day, and we had potentially, what was it at? 1.9. Was that accumulation volume or distribution? We'll find out today, and definitely we'll know tomorrow at least, we would say. And like I said, it was pretty much bullish as far as what the intent was on from the news, jobless claims, but it's not really rallying like you would have thought. But it's a slow drip up now, of course. And here's a little my concern is we had mixed signals, but you can only play out that old story, that oil story for so long. Of course, YouTube, you won't get to hear this, but this is... Sorry, traders, this is for the WB proprietary work only. Just drop us an email at YouTube@Wyckoff, AMTrader.com, and we'll get you on the fast track to understand what YouTube and what Wyckoff is all about. See what cash is going to do when it enters into the market. All right, let's wrap it up here. Looking about 657. Let's see what else they want to kind of sell me. Now I'm still trying to sell me tires. All right, it's Wyckoff Trader. We're signing out here for the early read. And all right, now we're looking at New York time, 8:57 and counting. And thanks for your subscription. And we got some great things.